This video is general advice only. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing here today, because trading the market is hard. There are so many different things that you need to get good at to becoming what I call a super trader. There's a formula that you need to follow over time to becoming a super trader. So click here to download the super trader formula right now for free.
What's up guys, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com, and this video guys, I want to talk about, I get so many questions about success in trading and what it makes to become a successful trader in the markets. And you're probably wondering why am I dressed like this in the car. I'm just coming back from the gym, but I thought I'd do most of you know I do a lot of videos for my fitness channel as well. I'm in the very big in fitness and alkaline and balanced lifestyle basically. But while this is on my mind, I want to do a video right now, so I want to upload it to YouTube. It could be there to serve you, you know what I mean? So one thing that most people just don't realize is that they think they throw all the fundamental things out of the window when they start to trading. The fundamental things. And what they don't realize has a major impact in their trading has everything to do with how successful they are. And things like money management. Money management is crucial. We all hear about money management. You know what I mean? But it's just so crucial to have a good money management, in your trading. You know what I mean? So let me turn this down. So have good money management, guys. You know what I mean? Like, good money management to me is like risking a couple of % on your account and then give everyone time. And then like if you've got a bigger account, risk even smaller than that. You know what I mean? We're talking like 0.1% of your account. You know what I mean? And so for example, if you had $100,000, $1,000 would be 1%. $500 would be 0.5%, and so on and so forth, right? So it's really important, guys, that you have good money management and you stick to that money management every single time. Now, money management and risk management to me are two different things. Money management is simply how much money you're putting on the table, okay? Putting on the table per trade. Say, for example, I recommend to all my traders who are trading options, who follow what I teach them, is if you have a $10,000 bank account, you place a $500 position every single time. Now, theoretically, the whole $500 is at risk, but if you follow what I tell you, you're not going to have a 100% loss when you're trading options, right? So, for example, that's money management. Now, risk management is what are you doing to protect yourself even more? So, for example, if you're just trading straight out options, you're buying options, you're buying to open, and you're selling to close. Basically, buying options, buying calls, and buying puts. Well, what I say is this, is that money management is how much money you're putting on the table. Risk management is actually what you're doing within that. So basically, way out of the money, and any option, if you're buying it way out of the money, is a lot more riskier because you can lose a lot more really, really quickly, right? First, second, or third in the money, depends on where it's at. That's now less riskier because it needs to go against you a lot before you start to have a 30, even 40% loss. You know what I mean? Like, it has to go against you, and the market has to have a big move, 4 or 5% in one day for you to be, down 40, 50%. Makes sense? But if you buy way out of the money options, then what's happening there is, you can lose 100% overnight. So that's where I say risk management is different. Risk management is picking the right option in the markets. Let me just do this. Then you can't really minimize the risk. The best way to do that is obviously putting a small amount of money per trade with those markets. But with options, when you're buying options, one thing I love about options is the leverage. It's up to 10 times the amount of profit or loss you have on account. But also, you can dampen your risk, meaning you can lower your risk by how far you actually go in the money. Make sense? So always look at those. There's actually three things. There's money management, how much money you put on the trade, risk management, what you're actually doing, especially when it comes to options, and trade management. I'm telling you right now, if you have those three things and you become really, 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 really good at sticking to good money management, and really, really, really good at sticking to sticking to having good risk management as well too. And then you're also really good at have a good trade management. Good trade management is holding on to your winners and letting it go and cutting your losses short. You do that, you can take a system that's doing even 20, 30, or even 40% right. I mean, more than 50% of the time you're doing wrong, and you can still make money. I know this for a fact because many years ago I was running an auto trader, and I had like my first 5 trades on the auto trader were losers. Every single one, loss. But it only took me 1 trade to get back to break even, and the next trade was a winner, and we're back in the green. How could I have 5 trades, 2 wins, and actually still be very profitable? Easy, because I know how to have good trade management. Good trade management simply means I cut my losses short, and I let my wins run, and so that some of the best successful traders know they're gonna be wrong. That's what happens in trading. You're gonna be wrong, but what do you do when you're gonna be wrong? You cut your losses short. When you're right, you let it run. And that one thing, that trade management alone, when you get really good at that, that's the thing that will help you move forward in trading. So focus on that. If you'd like more help with that, head on down to officialjohnhowe.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.
If you're still struggling to get ahead in the markets, then you need to download the Super Trader Formula right now. There are so many different things that you need to get good at, and the Super Trader Formula will show you exactly what to focus on first, second, third, and so on. And I promise you this, follow the Super Trader Formula and you will make more progress in the next few months than you have in the last 12 months. I know it's a big promise, but you see exactly what I'm saying. So click here to download the Super Trader Formula right now for free. Also, if you're looking for more fun, more freedom, more income, then you need to download my brand new book called How to Travel and Holiday Like a Millionaire Without Being One. In this book, you'll learn how to take amazing dream trips while saving thousands of dollars and create a 6-figure income by helping others do the same. Click here to download my brand new book for free now.